Hello, hi, how are you everyone? My name is Leo. This video is about the desk tripod I recently purchased. It's called Pixi Mini Tripod, made by Manfrotto. First of all, I want to talk about my impression. Overall, the quality is very good. It seems can carry a lot of weight when the tripod and the cameras are balanced. The ball head is super tight, it's made by metal, but a little bit hard to adjust. The clamp also very tight too. It uses a spring-loaded system with the rubber teeth holding your phone. A mini tripod. The head and legs are fixed. You cannot separate them. The height is about 7 inches from the camera on my phone to the surface. It still can reach a little bit higher by closing up the leg. Then the clamp. I think it fits most of the cell phone. It supports up to 3.29 inches. It has 2/4-inch mount hole, which you can mount your phone in different positions. Also a kickstand too. Be aware of this clamp. This clamp does not have cold shoes. The same company has another version does have cold shoes option. Lastly, the price and shipping. This product was sold and shipped by Amazon. I paid $36.99 plus tax. I ordered it on May 7. I got it on May 14. Again, I'm Leo. Thank you for checking out my video. Bye.